Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is a pretty cool one. It's more on this find and replace or find objects. And I've known for a long time that you could find rectangles, you can find squares, you can find stars or ellipses. But to find an object that you drew, this is not a, this is an ellipse, this is a star, this is a rectangle, but this is a curve. Well, to find that curve is just select on one of them and go up to Edit, Find and Replace, Find Object. Right here, find objects that match the current selected object. Next, Finish, Find All. It found all those objects on my page that fit that criteria. And what's cool about it, you could change the color of those items. You could take away the fill and add an outline without disturbing the other objects. Because I've always known that you could find the circle. You can just go to Edit, Find and Replace, Find Object, Begin New Search, Find Ellipses, Next, Finish, Find All, and it found all the circles. That's a standard, but to find a shape that you drew is pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for